friends, welcome back to my southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. If y'all follow me for quite some time, y'all know how much I love oatmeal. Loved it since my childhood. My grandmother and my mama used to make it for me all the time. So I figured, why not make another oatmeal recipe? Also, May is National Strawberry Month. We're going to make strawberries and cream oatmeal. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and is loaded with fresh strawberry flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it will help you get your day started. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more oatmeal recipes, check out my oatmeal recipes playlist and my previous video, Strawberry Danishes. I also post a link to that down in the description box below. So grab your pot, your oatmeal, and get your strawberries chopped in sugar, because we're about to cook some strawberries and cream oatmeal magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our strawberries. On my cutting board, I have a pint of fresh strawberries that I rinsed, and we're going to chop them up. First, we're going to remove the tops using my knife. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through chopping the rest of my strawberries, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I've got all my strawberries nice and chopped, and off camera I've placed them into my bowl. Now we are ready to cook the oatmeal. Over here on my stove top, I have my medium saucepan, and my fire is on high heat. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the half and half has came to a boil. Now we're going to add in our chopped strawberries, a pinch of kosher salt, and 1 cup of old-fashioned oatmeal. Give it a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Now I'm going to cut my fire down to low and let it simmer until it's tender, about 8 minutes. And if the oatmeal thickens, add in a little water or half and half if needed. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of oatmeal cooking. So it's been 8 minutes. Look how nice and creamy that is. Perfect. I removed it from the stove. There's 3 more ingredients we got to add to it. 1 tablespoon of white sugar, or more, it depends how sweet you like your oatmeal. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And stir all together until it's well blended. And that's it my friends, our oatmeal is ready to serve. So I'm about to pour it into my bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Strawberries and cream oatmeal. Don't that look good? And we made it completely from scratch. Way better than store-bought. And I garnished it with some strawberries on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Smooth and creamy. The oatmeal's nice and tender, and I can taste the strawberries. I'm in strawberry and oatmeal heaven. This is phenomenal, my friends, and it will warm up your soul. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Strawberries and cream oatmeal licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.